Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change messages tone on OnePlus Nord for 5G. If you want to hear a different tone when you receive a message, all you need to do is simply open the settings, and then in the settings you want to go to sounds and vibration, and then over here if you scroll down you should be able to find notification tone, and if you select this option, then you have an option to choose one of the classic themes. You can select the aquamorphic theme, or you can go to dynamic tones, or if you have your own sound that you want to use as a message tone, then of course you can tap on this device and then use the audio file of your choice. I'm gonna go with classic themes, and of course if you select any of these options, then you will hear the preview of the tone. And now all you need to do after selecting the desired tone, you need to simply go back, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!